Coffee or protein. That's all we've got. That's all we've got here. There's no food, it's just coffee and protein. We've got cold brew. We've got individual cans of cold brew, 100% Colombian. We have Choco Milk protein shakes, 30 grams, grass-fed. We also have another variation of cold brews, Equator, regenerative organic certified cold brew coffee, perfectly sweet, just a touch of sugar. Then we have Huel's. This is nutritionally complete, ready to drink meals, black edition, 27 vitamins and minerals, 35 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, non-GMO, and plant-based. It sounds really healthy. You know what? It tastes pretty darn good.